We are pleased to show you the 2020 Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, running boards, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.